Alright guys, so I sold the Colorado. There it is. It's been 2 weeks and that's a replacement. Right there. ATSV. That's my second one. I think I got rid of the first one too quick, so it was time for a new one. Now that was the perfect spec for me. Vector blue, carbon fiber package, super clean, pristine. I just got it delivered last night and let the mod start, because why not? Our wideband got here too. So I actually bought it Tuesday, but it barely got delivered. I got a array of parts on the way, but the wideband's here. So what we can do right now is read the factory tune, send it to Justin, so he can send me at least a base file. You know, it can't be stocked for more than 24 hours. And then once I get the rest of the parts, then we'll get a little spicy. I mean, just look at this beauty. I always wanted a blue one. Now, 4th of July, it's gonna be red, white, and blue, baby. We got the trusty dusty MPV-1 Pro. Had it for years. No need for a 2 or a 3 or whatever they have out now. This still works just fine. And now we read. This thing's clean, pristine, factory stock. Never been ragged on. It's about to, but as of right now, it never has. And it's gonna be quicker than that. It is now. One done, another one to go. We got the tune loaded up, well, the factory one, ready to send to Justin so he can work some magic. Right now it's just gonna be on, you know, just tune only, factory, everything on pump gas. So it ain't gonna be nothing special, but it's better than stock. If we don't want to be stock for a whole day. Now when we get the rest of the parts, we're gonna party a little bit more. What are we doing, Luca?
We're tuning it.
That's right, brother. Hell yeah. So we can't really drive it because there's no plate on it, and it's the weekend. But we did rip it around. Pretty nice and neat, and I miss having a handling car. Don't get me wrong, those things are fun. They're fast as hell, but they don't handle very well. This thing on rails. So yeah. Stay tuned. It's not much we're gonna do to it, but it doesn't need much.